How to add headers and footers in Google Docs. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about adding and removing the headers and footers in Google Docs. So whether you're using a PC, Mac, or the Google Docs mobile app on Android or iOS devices, we've got you covered. So let's begin with adding a header or footer. To do this, simply double-click in the margin at the top or bottom of your page, and this will create a default header or footer. If you wish to add a custom one, click on the Insert button just between the View and Format option, tap on it. Hover over to Headers and Footers, and then select either header or footer from the menu. To remove a header or footer, click on the Options button on the far right of the header or footer bar, and then click on this Options. From the drop-down menu, click on Remove Header. So if you want to adjust the header and footer margins, click on the Format at the top toolbar. Then select Headers and Footers again. Enter your desired margin values for both header and footer, and then click on the blue icon that is Apply. Adding footnotes in Google Docs is also straightforward. Click wherever you like the footnote and then choose on Insert and select Footnote. Alternatively, you can also use the keyboard shortcut that is Ctrl plus Alt plus F, and your footnote will appear next to the corresponding number at the bottom of the page, allowing you to type your reference. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.